Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Chinese pickled tea eggs. That's right, with tea. And the finished product almost looks like stained glass. So here we go. So I have here some eggs. I've hard boiled them and I crack them gently, but I didn't take off the peel. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So this is a hard-boiled egg, and I take the back of my spoon and gently crack it without breaking the shell. Just gentle, and you will be surprised at the results. And this will be a crowd pleaser, and people will marvel at the finished product. So I have here some boiling water, and then I have some spices. I have a cinnamon stick, a piece of ginger, star anise, and some black tea leaves. So I'm going to tie them up in a bundle so that they don't all get scattered in the mix. And then I'm going to tie it up. And then after that, I'm going to drop it in the boiling water that I have here. Here we go. Now also, what goes in is Chinese 5-spice, some soy sauce, some salt, sugar, and then I give it a little mix. And you see it's already dark, but it'll get darker, and I can smell it already. You can smell the spices in here. Now I'm going to gently put the eggs in the mixture. Okay, just put it in, all of the eggs. I'm going to let the mixture come to a boil, and then I'm going to simmer it for 1 hour, and then it's done. And I can really smell all the spices. The aroma really smells like a Chinese house. So I'll see you in an hour. Okay, I cooked the eggs in the sauce for about an hour. I drained it and I cooled it off. So here it is. Now this here, all that brown is just the sediment from the tea leaves. Now I'm going to peel it. And you can see how easily this comes out. That vinegar trick really helps. I'll never boil eggs without doing that again if you want to make nice hard-boiled eggs. And you can see where all the cracks were. This is the pattern that it forms. It's kind of like stained glass. And this is what the inside of the shell looks like, almost like a picture. Now I'm going to rinse off all the sediment that's left on it and put it in a bowl. Now we'll peel one more egg. And you see how it just slides off. I can't believe it. I tried to do this before and it came out so ugly when I didn't put the vinegar. Okay. Then rinse it off. That's good. Now I'm going to cut an egg to show you what it looks like on the inside. Cut it lengthwise. And you see the inside looks like just a regular egg. And then the outside here. This is really a conversation piece if you have it. I've had it at dinners and people say, "What is that? How did you do that?" So now you know the trick. So I'm just going to taste one. Tastes like a regular hard-boiled egg, but with a little seasoning, the Chinese seasoning. So you can eat this anyway, just as is, or you can make a special deviled egg, like taking out the yolks and whipping it up with some mayonnaise and some other things, and it'll be a real conversation piece. Then you can also put it on noodles or anything else, or you can just chop it up and make deviled egg sandwiches, and this will be really good. So I thank you for watching. Mahalo, and see you on the next video.